Welcome back to another episode of Bob Montego, and today I'm talking to you about the baby father culture that is causing a problem on many families in Jamaica. Now, before I begin, let me just say that certainly not everyone needs to get married. That's not what I'm saying. But for a highly sexualized country like Jamaica, what happens quite a bit is that young girls get pregnant for young boys, sometimes older men, that do not want to take care of the baby. Now, Jamaica is a highly sexualized country, and by that I mean you can see it in our music, hear it in our music, you can see it in our dances, you can see it in certain mindsets, like as one artist famously said, man fi have enough gal and have gal in a bongo, gal in a rima and gal in a jungle. And you know the rest of it, right? But what tends to happen quite a bit is that a young girl gets pregnant, maybe in school, high school, and got pregnant and probably drop out, likely drop out, and then have one child that she can't take care of because she has no skills or she's not properly situated to do that. And so the baby becomes everybody's problem, becomes grandma's problem, becomes sometimes a sister's problem, sometimes becomes the mother's aunt or uncle's problem. It's everybody's problem now because she can't take care of it, and she's probably going to ask everyone for money to help. You know, family abroad, everybody now becomes a part of ownership of that baby. And so uh, the mother often gets frustrated, now find herself another guy, hoping that this guy is going to be the one to take care of this child and her. And by so doing, another baby comes, and maybe another baby, or maybe she move on to another guy, hoping that the guy will take care of those previous ones before and her, and it just never happens. This is a huge problem in Jamaica because it brings on so much financial burden onto families that it is crushing them and sending them further into poverty. You see? And then a mother who's abandoned by the baby fathers, not prepared to provide well enough, now will inherit another set of children, poverty, will inherit them poverty. And then they will perhaps come up into a revolving door like she did with the same issues. Let us try our very best with our children. And sometimes we try and the children still, go wayward or things happen. But let us try with our children the very best way we can to monitor them, try and provide for them, avoid them getting into these things. Let us try also to eliminate this mindset, this baby father mindset, and try to encourage our kids to get into stable relationship, be honest and open with them. Because many times we're not open with them. We are afraid to discuss issues like sex with them and the ramifications. We don't, sometimes we don't discuss, how to project their lives forward, how to be successful individuals. Sometimes we don't do that. We just allow them to become, they develop these understanding of life from their friends and other people around or from TV. So, let us spend as much time as we can doing that. And, I pray for anyone whose children bring down children on them untimely, ahead of time. And because this thing, it caused so much pressure that it just pushes so many families into poverty. Thanks for watching Bob Montego, and if you have not yet done so, please like, share, subscribe, and tell someone about my videos. Thank you again for watching.